In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add advanced tables in Obsidian using a plugin. If you've ever tried to make neat tables in Markdown, you know it can be a little fussy. This quick setup will make creating, editing, and aligning tables much easier, so you can focus on your notes instead of fighting with pipes and dashes. Start by opening Obsidian. Once your vault is loaded, look for the settings icon, the little gear usually found in the lower left corner of the app window. Click that to open the settings panel. In the sidebar, find Community Plugins. This section lets you extend Obsidian with powerful community-made tools. By default, Obsidian's safe mode is on to prevent third-party plugins from running. To use community plugins, you'll need to turn safe mode off. When you toggle it off, Obsidian will show a reminder that community plugins are not reviewed by the Obsidian team. That's normal. Just make sure you only install plugins you trust. For this tutorial, we're installing a well-known plugin used by many Obsidian users. Next, click Browse. This opens the Community Plugin directory. In the search bar, type Advanced Tables. You should see the plugin appear in the results. Click Install to add it to your vault. After installation completes, click Enable so the plugin is active. Now you're ready to use it. Open any note where you want a table. Begin typing a basic Markdown table, for example, by creating a header row with columns separated by the vertical bar character and a separator line beneath it. As soon as you start, you'll notice the plugin automatically aligning the columns, inserting the right number of pipes, and keeping everything tidy as you go. You don't have to worry about lining up spaces or counting pipes. The plugin handles the formatting, so your table stays readable and properly structured. This is especially helpful as your table grows. When you add more columns or rows, the plugin will keep things in order, so your table remains easy to scan. If you paste a rough table from elsewhere, the plugin can clean it up as you edit. The end result is a cleaner, more professional-looking note without the hassle. That's all there is to it. Open Obsidian, go to Settings, switch to Community Plugins, turn Safe Mode off, browse for Advanced Tables, install it, enable it, and then type your Markdown table in any note. The plugin will do the heavy lifting in the background. That's how to add advanced tables in Obsidian. Try it out and make your tables easier to manage. Subscribe for more tutorials.